Hi guys. Okay, so a lot of people have been asking me to do an XRP update, and so I want to take you through my charts and show you what I think XRP is about to do, and also show you how I get those targets. So if you want to see where I think XRP is headed, please keep watching. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to start on the 4-hour chart, and then we're going to work our way down to the 15-minute chart, or down into the subwaves. And so this is the 4-hour chart. This is after the top there at $1.40. We're looking for an ABC. And so I have that labeled here, and I'm going to show you how I get these targets, and we're just going to go through each wave one by one. And so what we're looking for is an ABC. And so we want to get support levels put on here right away. And so that's going to be our retracement tool. And we're going to click up at the top where it went around $1.40 and the bottom where it went around 50 cents. Okay, so these are our support levels after this 5-wave structure. What we're looking for is an ABC to the 618 fib level here, and that's at 86 cents. And you can see that it came down and hit that almost right away. And so we're going to draw out the ABC like this. And so after this ABC, we are looking for a wave up to either the 0.5 fib, or we are looking for a new high. Okay, so you can see, and I'm going to turn these red. So you can see that these resistance fibs are going to be either for a wave B, or it's our resistance for this wave 1 coming up here if it was a 5-wave structure. Let's see where this first retracement went to. Then we're going to click up at the top there and down to where it went down there. And this drop here came down to the 786. So I'm going to zoom in and check the RSI, because what I'm looking for is a wave from here to here. Where is the highest RSI? And that is actually over here. And so this was a wave 3. After here, we're looking for only a drop to the 382 fib level, and that came all the way down to the 786. So what you would do is you would measure wave A down here with the box tool, and then you would come up and put that where wave B went. And you can see that the top here at this box was the target for 1-to-1 of wave A. And so it's almost like it formed like an ABC like this. Okay, so now that we know that hit the target of 1-to-1 of A, so now this is almost looking like a 5-wave structure. So this most likely was a wave 3. What we want to do is find the fibs for wave 4, and then we'll go in and find the fibs for wave 5. So now let's measure the fibs for this wave 4 coming up here and see how high this is going. So because wave 2 didn't go as high, I think this one is just going up a little bit more. And so we're going to put those in like this, and it lines up perfectly with this fibs here. So this fib set coming down here flipped from support to resistance. So now this coming up here would be invalidated after this 0.5 fib, and it went up a little bit higher. And so, like I said, I think this is just a little bit higher now because wave 2 didn't go as high. So I think this could still be okay for a wave 4. Now, let's go get the fibs for wave 5. And so wave 5 has 2 targets, and it can either be the same size as wave 1, or it could be the 618 on the extension tool. So we're going to come back to the box, and we're going to draw out wave 1, and I'm going to bring that down to where 4 went. What that tells us is that the bottom of this box was also a target for wave 5 at 78 cents. So on the higher time frames, because this was an ABC, I want to measure this out as if this were a 5-wave structure for wave A, and I'm going to bring that to the top of where B went, and the bottom of it is going to give us the target for C. Okay, so the bottom of this box here is the 1-to-1 of wave A for wave C. So I'm going to zoom in and show you. We had quite a few bounces and really strong support at the bottom of the box here. You can see that it was support on the left. We went up, and now we came down, and now we're testing it as resistance. Okay, so now that we have this 1-to-1 for wave C, we want to get our last target for this 5th wave. So that's going to be the trend-based fib extension. We're going to come down here to the top, come down to the bottom of the wick, and up to where 4 went. And so the bottom here at the 618, This is our 618 extension target for wave 5. Okay, so what does that mean for us right now? And I'm going to show you on the 1 hour time frame what I think is happening with XRP and what we can expect. So on the 1 hour time frame, what we're looking for is a 5-wave structure. And first we're going to find our wave 3. And that would be with the lowest RSI. So that would be this wave here, and it also bounced off the 786 fib level. What we want to do is try to find our wave 2 and our wave 4. So we're going to look and see where that fib lands, and that's going to be just the fib retracement tool. We're going to come down to where that low was and come back up to where this 2 is. And okay, so you can see that after these 5 waves here, we came up and we're still under the 382 fib. If this is a wave 4, anything over 82.5 would invalidate this being a wave 4. That is also our top targets on XRP. So now we resisted there. We're still under the 382 mostly, and we're coming down. So now we need to get our targets for this wave 5 here. We're going to come up and click to the top of 1, the bottom of where that went, and then also where 4 went. So coming down after this wave 4 from this 382 means the XRP could hit 62 cents. So what I want to do is I want to get the supports in from this wave here and see where we're going to be landing, and also start mapping this out if this is 5 waves down. And so that's going to be the fib retracement tool. We're going to go down this way. So because this is the highest RSI from this wave to this wave, that means that this could be our wave 3. So after that, we look for a wave 4 retracement at the 382 fib and expect a new high. So now that we have these targets for wave 4 and it is bouncing from this 382 level, this means that we could make a new high. And I just put those fibs here for you. Yeah, and you can see that this 618 for the wave 5 lands almost right at this 0.5 fib. So that means that we're going to come up and test this for resistance most likely. I'm just going to drag that down. So I'm wondering if we come down and test this 0.5 fib again on XRP at 75.5. I'm wondering if we come down and test that one for support, which is the 0.5 fib, just because then that would land our top target around the same level at 82.5. But for now, we haven't broken down yet, so I'm just going to leave it where the 618 will be if we don't make a new low. And actually, if I zoom in here, you can see that we broke through the 382 fib, and now it's pushing up its resistance. So I think it's very possible that we come down here to this next fib at 76 cents. So now that we're looking for support at the 382 where it is now, it's very possible that we come up now for our 5th wave. And that's going to be the trend-based fib extension. And the top at the 618 is our target. Okay, so that is my extended analysis on XRP, guys. I think I started from the 4 hour down to the 1 hour and down into the subwaves for you. So I think you know what to expect. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And as always, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss an update. And as always, thank you for watching. Bye.